Hello guys, in this video I will brief you about smart materials. So starting with the introduction part, material that can be changed one or more of its property in response to an external stimulus is called smart material. That means material that can be changed, that can change their property according to condition. Like if we talk about temperature, so if the temperature is high, it may get extended, or if the temperature is low, it may go contracted, or vice versa. So that is called the quality of material, that is flexibility of material. For example, the shape of the material will change in response to different temperature or application of electric charge or presence of magnetic field. Types of smart material: there are 4 types of smart material. First is piezoelectric material, second one is shape memory alloy, that is a mixture, magnetostrictive material, and pH sensitive polymers. Piezoelectric material are able to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy and vice versa. For example, for that purpose, quartz generally used, aluminum nitride, barium titanate, gallium phosphate, and lead are also using as a piezoelectric material to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Shape memory alloy. A shape memory alloy is an alloy that remembers its original shape, that when deformed return to its pre-deformed shape when heated. So there is a flexibility, it can change their shape according to temperature. So you can see in the figure also the shape memory. Magnetostrictive material. These material exhibit change in the shape under the influence of magnetic field, and also exhibit change their magnetization under the influence of mechanical stresses. Example: cobalt, terphenol, D. So these are the material that can change their shape according to magnetic field. So you can see in the figure the magnetostric material is you can show, and there in first condition there is no magnetic field, but in second condition there is a magnetic field, or the shape has been changed with magnetic field. In second condition you can see the dotted line and the shape is get extended than the original shape, and in third condition the shape got contracted as compared to original condition. pH sensitive polymers. These polymers are the material that change in the volume when the pH of the surrounding medium is changed. These material, the shape of these material are depend upon the pH, the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion, they are depends on that pH condition. So the example are dextran, hyaluronic acid. There are 2 kinds of pH sensitive materials: acidic group and base group, alkanoic, ammonia, etc. Thank you so much.